What's up, you guys? So it's your girl Angel Savage, and I'm here with another video. Yeah. So I'm here, and I did like a rough addition of eyebrows, literally off camera, because I feel like I'm What's up, you guys? So we're gonna be doing lashes today. Look at these lashes, honey. Look at them. Look at those lashes, bro. So we're gonna be doing some lashes. We're gonna put these lashes on guess who? That's right. You need some tweezers of your choice. These are the Pro Tools tweezers, and the lashes of your choice, along with glue of your choice. So I'm getting ratchet with it. And disclaimer, I'm gonna put a disclaimer like right in this area. I don't know if you should be using this on your eye. Keep out of eyes. So you're gonna wanna start with some tweezers, clean tweezers, by the way. You're gonna wanna gently pull. So here we go. I'm gonna try to boop, boop. Let me hold it better, because I don't want to ruin my lashes, baby. There you go. Now, some people do this. Some people like to size their lashes, you know? Make sure it fits. We're not gonna do all of that. Now what I'm about to do is pull out the other lash, because I just don't want to fadiddle. Now I've already pre-set out my glue like a minute ago, literally just about a minute ago. Hey, I just blew up about a minute ago, and I'm gonna stay up. I can't rap. Yeah. Okay, so here's my glue. I ain't gonna be all cute with it until I put the glue on my lashes. Got my handy dandy Conair mirror. I want to do these lashes really good, you guys, because I just want to fool somebody today. Like, oh my god, ever so careful not to put too much glue on here. And I'm going to show you guys how much glue. I'm literally not trying to. That already looks like too much glue that I've done. Sorry, I didn't know it wasn't in review. So they gotta be doing the long. Gotta do this quick, y'all. I really don't have like that much glue on here. You can't even see it. Looks like it's lined. Yep, the glue dried up. still trying to learn. And if you're interested at all, so these are the final, you know, addition to my eyebrows. Wasn't trying to do nothing crazy. I really am not even gonna put on foundation, so that's why I didn't want to have like those like eyebrow